what's up? Bye. Hi. Hi everyone, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. If you're not already subscribed to my channel, hi, my name is Patricia. On my channel, I usually do like makeup videos, but for today, I'm going to be doing a little something different. And I'm going to be unboxing this little baby out, which is the iPhone XS Max, or iPhone XS Max, yes. So excited. So if you guys don't already know, it's about that time again. It's September, which means a new iPhone just came out and everybody probably already got theirs in the mail. But for me, I decided to wait on it. And earlier today I actually ordered it on the Apple website, and then I just went ahead and picked it up from the mall. And I did get the color gold, and I got it in the 256 gigabyte. Yeah, and they have like a new packaging. Well, not new packaging, but the front is a little different. It has like this picture, and then like on the side it says iPhone, and right here like the little apple symbol is actually gold. Like I don't know if you guys can see that, like if there's a glare or not, but it's gold. Yes. So yeah, let's just get right into it. So we obviously don't need like a cutter, because we just have like this little peel off thingy. So let's just do it. Hold on. Are you ready? Okay. This is about to be some ASMR, like. So this is the box, and we're just gonna go ahead and open it. So I'm just gonna go ahead and open it now, okay? Okay, so first, oh my gosh, can we? So we have this little thingy. It just says hello and like all the instructions, hi. And then, oh, it actually came with the little hook thingy to like take your SIM card out. That's pretty cool. And then some stickers and more paper. Yep, I'm just gonna put this back in the box. And are you guys ready? The moment of truth. Oh my god, it's so, I don't even want to touch it. It's so clean and new. I just don't want to drop it. Oh my god. Oh my god, yo. This is actually gold. Look at that. Oh my god. And it's like, it's gold, but like you know when you get your nails done and you get like that chrome color? That's what it looks like. Oh my god. And the front, all black. So let's just go ahead and peel it off. Another ASMR, you guys. Let me know in the comments down below if you guys want me to do ASMR videos. Just kidding. I just don't want to drop it. Ta-da! And yes, sorry if you guys can see my phone. I'm recording off my old phone. Oh my gosh. And everything is still the same. Like obviously over here you have like your SIM card, and then your power button and like lock button. And then over here you have like the nozzle for like volume and no volume, and then like the volume up and volume down. And then of course you have your speaker and then like your USB thing. And yeah, actually before I do anything with this phone, I'm gonna go ahead and put my case because I don't want to ruin it. Yeah, so I just went ahead and ordered something from Amazon. So I'm just gonna open it. It's just this. It was only like $15. Ooh, this is probably one of the best. Actually, it's a little bit cloudy. Like, it's not clear, you know? But whatever. Let's just see. Oh gosh. Okay, turn it on. Here's a moment of truth. Okay, and then I'm just gonna clean up my mess. Oh wait, never mind. Just kidding. So it said hello. Hola. ¿Cómo estás? Muy bien. Aló. Okay. What do I do? Just English. So it just it's making me choose like the language. I'm gonna choose English, and then country, United States. And then if you have an iPhone or iPad running iOS 11 or later, bring it nearby to sign in automatically. Okay, it's nearby my phone. Okay. Actually, one moment. Okay, so I finally got the phone set up. And I forgot to mention one thing earlier, you guys. So, the box, it comes with a little block, of course, and then like your adapter, and then some headphones. And I thought these were AirPods, but they're actually not. They like open up, and then yeah. But yeah, that's what's in the box. And let me show you guys. So if you like go swipe down, that's like the control button, and then you can use like Face ID, and then you just have to like swipe up. And then let me show you guys like the emojis. So it says you can send a message using your favorite and emoji or create your very own memoji. So you can choose between like all of these. I'm gonna choose. Actually, I'm not gonna do that right now. You can actually like customize, but I'm just gonna choose this cat. Hello. Hello. How are you doing? Hello. How are you doing? What's up? Bye. Hi. How are you doing? What's up? Bye. Hi. And then I just like sent it to him. And yeah. I'm still waiting for like my other apps to like download. I just finished restoring my phone, and I have everything it looks like, so that's pretty good because I literally spent the whole day today trying to back up my phone. Just a FYI, if you have like an older iPhone, you should like back up from your iCloud. And it was my mistake because I have like 11,000 pictures on my phone, so it took me like a day to freaking download or to back up on iCloud, so I had to do it from my MacBook on iTunes. but it's all good now and I have my iPhone. So yeah, just yeah, and thank you guys for watching my unboxing video. Let me know if you guys want like a what's in my phone video next. Okay, bye.